Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to change quality on Netflix. To change the playback quality on your Netflix account, first of all, open the Netflix app on your device, or you can also open up a web browser and visit netflix.com and sign in. Either way, once you're logged into your Netflix account, go ahead and mouse over to your profile avatar and click on Account. After opening up the Accounts interface, go ahead and click on the Edit Settings option. Once you open up this Edit Settings, scroll down and get to the Playback Settings option and click on it. Now, under Data Uses per Screen, select the quality level you prefer. The options will include Auto, Low, Medium and High. If you select High, it'll come up with higher quality, which requires a faster internet connection. If you select Medium, then you will be able to play medium quality playback. Similarly, you can also choose the Low Quality and Auto option, in which Netflix automatically adjusts the quality based on your internet connection. Right after you select one of these options, click on Save, and then you will be able to change the playback quality on your Netflix account. Always ensure that your internet connection is stable and fast enough to support the desired quality level. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.